Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. It's amazing news. Yeah, our researchers have built a 3D bioprinted synthetic aorta that they have successfully implanted into rats. This technology could advance the treatment of cardiovascular diseases such as coronary artery diseases or peripheral arterial disease by allowing scientists to engineer and replace blood vessels in humans. The team published their findings in scientific reports. Through this new approach, scientists could use an individual's own cells or cells from a donor to rapidly create custom designed tissues that match the size and shape of the parts of vasculature to be replaced. Current treatments for severe cardiovascular diseases include the use of grafts made from a patient's own tissues, that is called autologous or synthetic materials. But autologous grafts require invasive surgery and have a significant failure rate too. And synthetic grafts are limited to large blood vessels and prone to leakage and harmful bacterial colonization. Bioprinted vasculture could offer a better solution. Yeah, this would be another alternative for people who are suffering from cardiovascular diseases that allows them to maintain a higher quality of life, says John Geibel, DSc MD, Professor Emeritus of Surgery, Gastrointestinal and of Cellular and Molecular Physiology at the study's principal investigator. Previously, scientists have tried to bioengineer tissues using a bioreactor, a chamber with a porous tube at its core into which they would inject the cells. The major downside of this method is that it is time consuming. It can take weeks to create viable tissues. In the new study, the researchers investigated the feasibility of bioprinting aortas. They cultured the main cells that make up the aorta and aortic cells, smooth muscle cells and fibroblasts from rats. Then they loaded syringes into the bioprinter, which ejected these cells onto a rolling stainless steel tube. After letting the cells incubate for a couple of days, the bioprinted aortas were ready for implantation. Amazing, sir. Behind this exclusive report.